special educator and a certified soft skill trainer. I welcome you to my serial talk show, Be an Excellent Special Educator. Today, in the first episode, we are going to talk about the topic Special Educators are the Grand Ambassadors of Special Education. The journey of this talk show is lengthy, so please subscribe my talk show to keep yourself updated with this series. The word special is defined as something additional to the existing one, something extra, something unique, something unusual, especially better in some way, designed for certain purpose or occasion, or related to something specific. Thus, it all talks about quality, about character, about identity. When we become a special educator, we automatically get the tag of special attached on the very first day we receive the certificate of special education. One automatically gets in the role of Grand Ambassador of Special Education, and we become responsible to put extra effort in our profession to transform the life of many people whom we are going to handle. Then who is the Grand Ambassador? Generally, a Grand Ambassador is the one who has a pleasant appearance, impressive behavior and style, and energetic communication and presentation skill, through which he tries to influence the people whom he come across and create awareness on solutions to the existing problem in a very smooth way to move towards transformation. As a special educator, our first responsibility is to guide and counsel parents of this special child who is facing an unexpected crisis, problem, who is developing lack of trust and confidence towards future and are feeling completely down and depressed, unable to decide about the future of their child, completely disturbed and shocked. The shocked parents do not wish to take risk, so they adopt very protective approach, depriving their special child from many meaningful and essential experience of life needed to become independent. This overcautious approach of parents also comes in the way of special educator. Special educators has to initiate a very sensitive communication with them. So we should have an excellent communication skill because we are going to touch very sensitive topics during our talks with the parents. Our talks can easily make them or break them. While talking, we must remain cool and calm and listen to the problems and expectations of such parents without getting easily carried away or without becoming emotionally charged. We should have essential emotional intelligence and empathy towards them. Every one of us face challenges, but a special child with their parents face a little extra challenge and need extra listening. Next is the special child himself, who needs some extra support, some additional facilities to fulfill his or his special requirements. It may be in terms of identification of disability, proper medical assessment, certificate of disability, minor corrective surgeries, implants, or any innovative assistive device or therapy or educational intervention. But more than this, a special child is looking for a true friend and trusted person with whom he could have a good rapport, who enable them to bring out his hidden potential, to overcome disability and fight all the challenges of day-to-day life without blaming his shortcomings due to disability. We as a special educator need a good negotiation skill to build this confidence with win-win proposition for both ourselves and for the special child. The child should be known for his abilities and valued for his hidden potential and exceptional abilities. The third group we as a special educator handle are the other stakeholders in the society, who may be an administrator or who may be a public figure or any common man who have a number of doubts about the ability of the child and are afraid of any mismanagement. They need a lot of information about the child but do not have the patience and time to listen. They want to conclude everything quickly without going any deep into the subject. So as a special educator, we have very limited time to explain the concept on which we are working and the kind of support system we needed from the stakeholders for their empowerment. This leads to development of attitudinal barrier, which can be eliminated with development of excellent presentation skills from our side. There are a number of revolutionary changes taking place in and around the world in the field of medical science, diagnostics, microsurgeries, electronics, and technologies. A number of new and innovative products and assistive devices are launched. The benefit of the technology is to be transferred to the special child to lessen the ill impact of disability. Any delay in reach of this information to the parents and the child can deprive them and hamper the total growth of the child. Besides this, we as a special educator should also check the sustainability and affordability of the innovative assistive devices, especially in rural, harsh environment. So as a special educators, we have to keep ourselves regularly updated with all developments and progress taking place at national and international level around us. The central government and the state government have launched a number of schemes, programs and activities for special children, and we the special educators are said to be the special messengers to pass the information regarding the schemes, programs and activities to the parents, especially in terms of eligibility criteria and procedures on how to avail it. To create greater awareness, we have to develop greater leadership skills, especially situational leadership skills. So as an successful and excellent educator, we have to develop impressive appearance, good communication skills, pleasant mannerism, emotional intelligence, empathy, situational leadership skills, good verbal and non-verbal communication, and maintain positive body language and excellent presentation skills. While dealing with the parents, teachers, and other stakeholders, and I will be sharing the tips on how to develop all this in my future talks. Remember, this talk show is especially for the special educator. So, to be in touch, please subscribe my talk show to keep yourself updated and enriched. I will be delighted to know from you as to what do you feel about this talk show, whether you want to add anything new or you want to share any of your success stories with me. Please mail me on my email ID atultalkshow@gmail.com, atultalkshow@gmail.com. Your suggestions and advices are most welcome to make this program more interactive, interesting and enriching.